Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. This is Craig at OneGrid, and tonight we're just going to, again, briefly have a look at how quick and easy it is to use the OneGrid website builder. This evening I'm going to build a 3-page website, and I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy website for a coffee shop. I'm sure most of us are missing our beloved coffee shops, and so I'll just quickly show you, if you are a coffee shop owner or if you are a website designer, just how quick and easy it is actually to get your business online. Remember that our website builder comes bundled with website hosting, so there's no need for you to get the DIY website builder and purchase a hosting package. Everything is bundled all in one. So I'm just about ready to get going. What you see on your screen right now is exactly what you will get when you sign up for the website builder. So I'm going to take you through the exact steps as if I was doing this for the first time. So basically, when you log into website builder for the first time, it's going to ask you what type of website do you want to create. And we basically are looking for a coffee shop layout this evening. So I'm going to select coffee shop and continue. We're just doing a quick and easy sample business. So I'm going to just say your business name. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose a color palette. Any of these I can change after the fact. So if I'm not entirely happy with the colors or the fonts that I'm using, I can just go back at a later stage and change these. So let me go with this one over here. Continue. And you'll basically see that our website builder has now selected a number of layouts for us to get started. And this is basically the layout that is going to impact our homepage. So you'll see we've chosen some nice images for you already. You can also obviously upload your own images and change them at a later stage. But we have given you some inspiration here to get going with your website from a homepage perspective. So let's have a look at something nice that we can use to build our coffee shop website this evening. So I think we are going to go for this layout. And remember, at any time during the process, you can, if you do change your mind, you can easily just use the back buttons provided. Or you can also skip through and not choose one of these layouts and just start from scratch as well. So I'm actually going to go for this one. It looks quite nice. And I just want to have a look at what my homepage is going to be like on a mobile device. So I think I'm fairly happy with that. The next step then is to create our website, and that's basically all it takes. And so I've got a nice canvas now to actually start creating my website. And so all that's left for me to do is to add some content sections. So I'm going to go to the add content button at the bottom. I can add content either above or below the elements that already exist. So I'm just going to add something below. And it would be nice with this layout to just have an about us section. So I'm going to choose this over here. You'll see as we go along, we're even adding text that you could use or that you could change at a later stage. And to change it, you simply double click on whatever it is that you need to change. You have complete control over the fonts and the sizes. If you want to add a hyperlink to a different page or a different website, you can do that as well. Or you can simply add more text to any section of your website. So really happy with that. We are just going to add another section just to show you what else is available. I'm just going to add some more text. And then just below that, what I want to do is just include some more images to make it really visual. So I'm going to select something from the gallery. I think that this is quite a nice showcase. So again, these images come free with your website builder. If you do have your own, again, a simple click on that particular image is going to allow you to change it to either something of your own choice or the images that we provide with the website builder. And we do provide professional images that you can use. You don't have to worry about the copyright. Okay, so I think that for my homepage is pretty much what I want. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add an About Us page. I'm just going to say About Us. I'm going to add this to the top level. And basically, every page that I add now is going to be a completely blank canvas. And I basically now have the freedom to just start building these pages. I'm going to add content. We typically start any of your pages with the hero section. So the hero is just a nice header to introduce the page and to display the purpose of that page. We can then go ahead and add some more text, some nice icons. And then we can just finish our page with just a text element. And again, just with a simple click, I'd be able to change the text, obviously, to showcase my actual products or the services that I'm selling. So I'm happy with my About Us page. And I'm just going to finish off this website with a Contact Us page. So again, blank canvas. And now I'm looking for some contact elements. And obviously, for a coffee shop, I want people to be able to find me and get hold of me quick and easily. So I'm going to add the section that has a nice little form and the physical address with the telephone number and email address. And those are the basics that we would need. And I'm also going to just add a nice map to the bottom of the section. So again, under the contact section. And I'm just going to do a full width map. And it's going to be quick and easy for me to change the address to update this map. So that's the basic layout of my Contact Us page. And we've done all of this in under 10 minutes. So I'm just going to publish my website. Which will probably just take 10 to 15 seconds. And I am ready to have a look what my website looks like on the internet. So right there and then, without having to upload anything or install anything, my website is live and ready for business. All my pages have been added. Let's have a look at the About Us page that we've created. It's all very neat. And the Contact Us page. Form, physical address, telephone number, email address, and the map showcasing my location right at the bottom. Right, and then also the nice thing about Website Builder is that your website is immediately mobile responsive. So let's just start with the home page and see what that would look like. We just flip through to the mobile preview on the top right. And I can now see what my site is going to look like on a mobile device. That's the menu. All the same elements that we've added on our desktop view, all the images neatly laid out. And there's no need for me to build a separate mobile website. Everything can be found right here. So, contact us page. This is the mobile view for our contact us page. Clicking through on the map will take me directly to my Google Maps application on my phone, and the directions would be available to my users. All right, so thank you so much for joining me for this quick and easy website builder demo. As you can see, a 3-page website in under 10 minutes. No need for any file installations or downloads. The website builder is live and ready for you to use. As soon as you click publish, that website is live on the internet. Thank you so much for your time, and do take care.